Find the slope of the line that passes through points 4, 5, and 2, 1. In order for us to do that, we need to use this formula right here called the 2-point form. The slope is denoted as m, and to find the slope given 2 points, we need to use this formula. Y sub 2 less y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 being the y coordinate of the second point, y sub 1 being the y coordinate of the first point, x sub 2 being the x coordinate of the second point, and lastly x sub 1 being the x coordinate of the first point. Now, we call 4, 5 as our first point, it doesn't matter. 2, 1 as our second point, doesn't matter as long as we label them correctly. Now, for this example's case, let's call 4, 5 as our first point, which means 4 right here will be our x sub 1. It also makes 5 as our y sub 1. Now, point 2, 1 will be our second point, which means 2 will be our x sub 2, and 1 will be our y sub 2. Now that we are done labeling them, we are now ready to plug them in to our formula. The slope is given by y sub 2 less y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which means we need to write 1 instead of writing y sub 2. I'm gonna put them inside a parenthesis. Minus y sub 1, which is 5, over x sub 2, which will be 2, subtracted by x sub 1, which is 4. We're done plugging in. Let's now simplify. 1 minus 5 will give us negative 4. 2 minus 4 will give us a negative number, which is negative 2. Now we know that dividing negative number with another negative number will give us a positive quotient, which means our slope will be positive. And then 4 divided by 2 will give us 2 as our final answer. Means that the slope of the line that passes through points 4, 5, and 2, 1 will be positive 2.